What's up, you guys? Stealthy RS here, and once again with another video on the 2017 Ford Focus RS. Today we're doing a little bit of a modification, so stay tuned. Alright, so by now you're probably wondering what that modification was. Let me go ahead and show you. Alright, let's open up this package. We got a crankcase breather. So I went with the carbon fiber look. For those of you that don't know what a crankcase breather is, pretty much you're replacing your oil cap with the crankcase breather. It's allowing pressure that builds up in your crank to release. There's a little ball in there, and as pressure builds up, the ball lifts to the surface, allowing air to escape. So let's go ahead and install that. It should be about a 30-second installation. Quick and easy. I picked this up on Amazon for about $75. Alright, so we got the crankcase breather right there. And of course the oil cap right there. And we're simply going to remove the oil cap like so. Screw that on. First off, you hear the little ball that's shaking around. So screw that on good. Put the cap back on it. And just like so, we have a crank breather install. And as always, I always recommend keeping your factory parts, so I'm going to keep this oil cap just in case. You never know. So final shot here of the engine bay. Crankcase with the carbon fiber. Alright, you guys, so just a recap on what the crankcase cap does. 1, releases air pressure that builds up in the crank. 2, it avoids oil from getting all over your engine bay. And 3, it just looks little bit better than the standard oil cap that you may have in there. So that concludes another short video for you guys today. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to address it. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so because I have a lot of content coming in the near future that you're going to enjoy. Until next time, I'm checking out.